There are 65 pieces of artwork on display in the Percussion, the Sounds of Steelpan art exhibition. Speaker of the House, Bridget Anisette George, said the development of this unique musical instrument parallels this country's history and transformation.
And creativity has not yet been exhausted. With the steel pan, as I've read, recently the digital G-pan will be on the horizon. The story of Pan is steeped in resilience, innovation, ritual, rebellion, and cultural pride.
The Speaker of the House said the instrument is also a model of sustainability as it was created from discarded oil drums.
Visitors to this exhibition at Rotunda Gallery will witness not only the rich cultural significance of the steel band, but will also see its rich legacy in the historical, educational, economic, and musical spheres in Trinidad and Tobago, as displayed in the works of the 47 exhibiting artists, of whom 10 are 18 years and under.
One of the young artists whose work is on display is Isabella Mohammed Brijlal Singh.
This art piece was inspired by my beautiful borough, also known as my home, Point Fortin, which is the home of the Tornado Steel Pan Orchestra. This signifies the transition from the tambour bamboo to the steel pan. This color with the red, black and white signifies the craziness and confusion during Carnival.
The art exhibit is in commemoration of the United Nations having declared August 11 as World Steel Pan Day. Terry Ann Brown Campbell, TTT News.